Hello out there, it's Kyle, and we're talking to you on January the 13th, 2023. This will be the first monthly market update of the year, obviously, and this has figures through the end of December of 2022. So I just thought we'd share a little information here so you can kind of see what's been going on in the market. You can see here that it's got the three different main counties, Oklahoma, Canadian, and Cleveland County. And you've got the most homes there, obviously, in Oklahoma County. Cleveland at 268, Canadian at 232. These are closed sales transactions, and 718 in December in Oklahoma County. But this is the overall picture here. And you can see here where there's quite a bit fewer homes that have actually closed in the other counties. But coming down to looking at the pending contracts, homes that are currently under sale at the end of the year, that's 2022. You can see here that Oklahoma County had 577, Cleveland and Canadian just around 200 as far as the number of contracts pending. And we're talking about new listings here. New listings always go down a little bit in December. But you can see here that they're below 750 here with the with Oklahoma County 697, and Canadian and Cleveland are both hovering somewhere around that 250 mark down. And when we look at our median sales prices, we don't really seem to have any kind of a big downward trend as far as time to go. But you can see that Oklahoma was down just a little bit from where it was a couple of months ago, down to 230. Cleveland was 234,750. That was the average, and Canadian was 263. But down here in Oklahoma County is 230. Then coming down to average days on market, they're going up. Oklahoma County there is showing 27 days on market average, which is still not bad based on historical standards. Of course, a few months ago, it was as little as a week sometimes. But Canadian's 45 days and Cleveland's 28 days. So the interest rates rising by the Fed has got things going the way they want it. The inflation figures actually came out a couple of days ago. The month over year end was 6.5%. So prices are up 6.5% since December of 2021. And here's the average sold price to list price. As you can see here, they're still pretty darn close to 100% of list price, 98.3, 98.2, and 98.8. So they're still being sold pretty darn close to where the price is. And as far as average price per square foot, they may have tempered just a little bit, but not much. As you can see, it's still on a general upward trend here. Just down just a little bit for December. Anyway, there's a lot of information there, but the market is still pretty healthy. Interest rates have been coming down a little bit the last 3 or 4 weeks. It's likely to come down a little bit more with that inflation report. So things are starting to trend back to the normal period, and it'll be a while before it hits exactly where it was normal wise. But it's definitely gone downward. So anyway, if you got any questions about the market, or you'd like to give me a call and talk about how you think it affects your plans for real estate in 2023, I'll be glad to chat with you. And if there's any special information you're looking for, I'll see what I can do to get that for you. And we'll go on with the rest of the newsletter. But if you have any questions about this, sure, just let me know. Bye-bye.